Best drip coffee maker. To make the best coffee you need the right equipment. There are dozens of brands out there, so making the right decision is not easy. Thankfully, we have done all the research for you. Each product is carefully analyzed, and crucial factors like the price, features, pros, and cons are considered. Watch this video to find out the top picks and check out the product links below. Let's see the best products this year.
For more than 50 years, Technivorm has successfully combined the best innovations of modern product development and design to bring the real taste of coffee to millions of people worldwide via their Moccamaster coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Moccamaster's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Moccamaster coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free. Moccamaster coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.